Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add tags using automation in GetResponse quickly and easily. First, log into your GetResponse account. From the dashboard, click on Automation in the left-hand menu. Now click Create Workflow. You can either choose a pre-built template or click Start from scratch. Once the workflow editor opens, choose a trigger. For example, you can select Subscribed via a form, clicked a link, or purchased a product. Next, drag the Add Tag action onto the workflow canvas. Connect the trigger to the Add Tag action. Now select the tag you want to apply. If the tag doesn't already exist, create a new one and save it every time a contact completes the trigger action. GetResponse will automatically add the selected tag to that contact. You can use these tags to organize subscribers, send targeted email campaigns, or trigger additional automation workflows. After reviewing your workflow, click Save and Publish. Your automation is now active and will tag subscribers automatically. That's it. You've successfully added tags using automation in GetResponse. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the channel for more quick GetResponse tutorials, software guides, and online business tips.